Machine Gun Kelly hates being in public. The 33-year-old rapper has admitted that he struggles with fame after he was wildly criticised for an awkward TV interview on the grid at the Brazilian Grand Prix on Sunday. In response to the criticism, MGK wrote on X, "My anxiety is one, I hate being in public." The rapper, who was interviewed on the grid by Sky Sports reporter Martin Brundle, also addressed one critic directly. He said, "My vibe is the worst. How? Because someone put a microphone in my face, essentially forcing me to do a random interview when I was just trying to enjoy an event. Because car engines were so loud I couldn't hear him. Please tell me more about why I'm the worst."